Beautiful people. So, what's up? We back. Another automotive video for you guys today. And it's not really a performance situation. It's like the part that people with a lot of cars that like work on their own cars, the part that they hate. Like everybody like getting a new supercharger, new exhaust, new headers. Like nobody likes putting on headers, but headers, everybody like the sound of it, right? I guess I'm gonna like the end result of this. Let me just let you check it out. So this is my very first Honda. I never owned a Honda. Never owned a Force. No, I had a Subaru. I had a couple of Subarus. So I did have some 4-cylinders. And Celica, GT4 cylinders. So yeah, I've had 4-cylinders. But this is my very first Honda. What I'm doing to this thing here today are swapping these out. These are blend door actuators. So, you know, in the middle of the summer, you want your car on point. If you ain't got AC, you ain't on point. Like, you need your AC. I know there's probably not many ladies watching this, but like, that's like the biggest thing during the, you know, summer. Women, they be like, oh, my AC, my AC, my AC. It's crazy. Yeah, got to have the good old trailer hitch. And guys too. I know some guys, they don't want to fix their AC because they're like, oh, I ride with the windows down in the summertime. And then in the wintertime, they're like, oh, the heat still works. So they just never have AC. I can't do it, y'all. I can't do it. So this is the driver's side. I took a little glance. It's right there. So it looks like there's just a few bolts. Is it just 2? 1, 2, 3. Looks like there's another. A bolt here, a bolt here, and a bolt here. I'm gonna get those popped out, get this put in there. That should get, yo, my floor mats is, I gotta go to the car wash. This is ridiculous. Looks like a truck. Like a car you can't really, you can't really use the excuse of, oh, it's a truck, I use it, which I guess for a car, this is just a regular. It's not perfect, but it's a whole lot better. I disconnected it and just hit all the buttons, turn the AC off, turn the heat up, all that stuff. Nothing changed with this one. But when I unplugged it and tested this one, it get to spinning and my finger actually got caught in there as it was like rotating, but hey, we didn't lose a finger. We're good. So this one's good. This one's worked. It's tested and we are gravy. Now I'm gonna get it connect it in there and throw some bolts in there, and we should be good to go. It just kind of controls this little flap there. That's what it does, which is cool. I think that right there is like AC on, if I'm not mistaken, on top. I don't know. Right now the whole thing hot. I don't know what's going on, but okay, maybe not. Maybe that's AC off. Yeah, that's AC on. Cool. All right. Yeah. So I'm gonna get these 3 bolts back in there, get it bolted up with the new one, and go swap the other one as well. Well, one's done just like that. Bolted up, 3 bolts, nice and easy. Now time for the passenger side, and I'm probably gonna have to carry the vacuum cleaner over there too. No, it's not too bad. And as I'm over here on this passenger side, I look under here, and I see not 1, but 2. So I'm really hoping that's the actuator that needs to be swapped, because I don't even have that one up there. I only had the driver's side and this one. So I'm gonna get this one swapped out, and yeah, wish me a proper working actuator. So at least I know if I need a 3rd one, I know what I'm looking for. So these gonna have your bolts here and there. It looks like that one doesn't have one, which is cool. 3 bolts holding it in. That's all it needs. Fine and dandy. Plug it in, make something happen. Well, after some testing and figuring out, yeah, this definitely was tighten that one up. Trying to get that top bolt over there is kind of a little aggravating, but this little wrench here helps for sure. It's probably a bit too much for those plastic, but yeah, we got 2 for 2. So that's good. I'm gonna crank it up, test it one more time, make sure the air is airing. See, it's no longer hot. So it used to be just full blast heat. So now we turn it up, turn the heat up, turn the heat up, turn the heat up. All right, now I got it hot. Turn down, turn down, turn down, and now it's a little breezy. So it ain't the coldest AC in the world, but it ain't blazing hot anymore. So it'll probably actually do something. It used to be blowing cool over here and hot. It's like hotter than it is outside on this side. So it was very just unpractical and crappy. So for whoever's sitting over here, whoever was driving was okay. Well, I think that's a done deal. Getting stuff knocked out the park. Now on to the next thing. The next thing to fix. That's all I've been doing the past few days. Just fixing a bunch of little stuff, and that's kind of what it's all about. As you can tell, I got some more stuff on the list, so stay tuned for this video because I'm waiting on the material to come in. Because that is a no-go as well. This car is about to hit a quick little 180. So stuff's working. Stuff's running good. It's good on gas. I like a Honda. In comparison to everything else on the channel, you can see the Harley is honestly not the best on gas because it's not quite stock. The SS, it's V8, diesel V8, Trans-Am V8, GTR V8, GTO V8 without a V8, so it's actually just sitting. I don't even think y'all haven't seen that yet. So, but here we are. We got this done. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace.